Can you actually get leads from TikTok? And how exactly do you do it without spending all your day on the app? Stick with me, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it in less than 10 minutes a day. First, if we haven't met, my name's Alisia Krastel, and if you're all about simplifying your lead gen and your business so you have an amazing amount of time to actually live your life and enjoy it, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I talk about that every week. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the 6-point strategy for you to use TikTok in less than 10 minutes a day to actually get clients from the app. Make sure you stay to number 6 because I outline 3 videos that you can do starting today that you can upload to the app. And I've seen these work in action because I'm under contract right now for 1.3 million from TikTok, and I didn't even dance. The first thing we need to know about TikTok is that I'm using it and sharing with you how to use it the same way we would develop relationships in real life or on any other app. So it's not going to be a transactional type of business that you might be thinking. It's actually developing relationships on the app, and I truly believe that that is the best and longest lasting way to get the best bang for your time into that app. So just like in real life and on other apps you might use, it's not all about just creating content. It is actually about connecting with other people, following up, and creating conversations. That is what this is all about, is creating conversations with other humans that you've gotten this attention from that maybe you haven't met before. So we definitely have to come at it with that sort of attitude and mindset instead of just, I'm gonna make this video and then I'm gonna have a funnel of leads. The second thing about TikTok we need to know is, what do you want to happen from these videos? Before we ever make one or get on and start commenting, what do you want to have happen? Do you want people to book a call with you? Do you want people to call you up and say, I'm ready to buy right this second? Do you want sellers? Do you want them to just have a consultation with you? What is the exact outcome you're hoping for? Because that'll help us figure out what kind of videos you want and what call to actions to make. Number 3 is TikTok rewards you for being consistent. So if you're gonna hop on the app, you wanna make sure that you're doing 3 videos a week. And when you can get up to 1 video a day, that would be ideal. But as long as you're consistent with the 3 videos a week, you can have great results. And don't worry, those videos are 15 to 60 seconds. There is a 3-minute option, but you're just gonna do the 15 to 60 second option because they perform the best, especially when you're first starting out. That gives you less time to screw up and an easier opportunity to remember what you're supposed to be talking about. Your 3 videos are an opportunity for you to attract people like you. So you wanna be 100% yourself in whatever clothes you would normally wear, with whatever attitude you normally have, doing the things that you would normally do, because that is what is going to attract people who are most your jam, which will make the best clients for you. Let's say you make 3 videos at the 15-second to 30-second mark, and each video takes you 5 to 10 minutes. That's a max of 30 minutes a week that would take you. I bet when you get rolling, it's gonna take you just a couple minutes to do each one. The rest of the time on TikTok, I would specifically spend commenting on other creators, commenting and replying to the people who are commenting on your video, and also looking for people who in the area who you might want to be in relationship with. Your quickest line to business through TikTok is making those relationships on there and then them coming to your channel and seeing your proof of evidence that you know what you're talking about and that you're local. And you may even have other agents who are looking at your profile saying, they know what they're talking about and I like this person's vibe. Let me refer you, or at least call you to see if you'd be a good referral for the client that they have. Number 4 is to use hashtags and the trending music if you can. And I'll show you here in TikTok, you can see there's a section that TikTok labels the music, viral TikTok, TikTok viral, and you can select one of the songs that are most popular and might help circulate your videos. Hashtags, as you go in the section, you actually click hashtags and start writing what you think would be good, and ones will populate for you and you can select from them. You want to do ones that are over 100,000 videos made, which you'll see the little number pop up, and under 1 million. You'll see trending themes in TikTok, like you'll see the same sort of video or the theme going on over and over again and different creators making the same video. You can do those as well, but you don't have to worry about it just yet. But if you get into that, it's a little extra oomph for your channel. If you're already on TikTok and you just haven't created anything yet, let me know your username or your handle so I can go and check you out and I'll leave a comment. Number 5 is so important. It's about your bio and any links or websites that you link from there. Remember when we talked about, well, we need to know what you want to have happen to be able to make these videos to get that action to happen? Here's where you want to pull that all together. If you say in your video, book a call with me in my bio, Then you need to have a Calendly or TimeTrade account set up so you can give that link for someone to book a call directly with you to get on your schedule. So you'll have your general bio. It gives you very limited amount of space to say where you're from, where you work, and what you do. There's a link if you're on Instagram that you can automatically link to Instagram. You can also link to YouTube, and you have the ability to put in a link tree or a bio link, which takes you to extra links or website landing page to where your viewer can click on additional things. That is a huge opportunity because when people actually watch your video and then they click your bio, now you have the potential to give them access to links that you've hand selected. You can use Linktree, or you can go in Canva and create your own bio link. If you want to know how to do that, I do have a video on this. You can skip right to minute 12:50, and that tells you how to create that bio link website. So think carefully about what links you want to have up there, because you can include all of those, and you can include a downloadable like a seller guide or a buyer guide. And in that case, you could actually collect emails and contacts that way. Number 6 is I promised you the actual videos you could make right now, starting today, that could be a short version video. I have 3 for you, and even for people who don't like to see themselves on video, there's one for you too. So the first video is, what can you get for blank price, $500,000, in Baltimore, Maryland, in your city? The easiest way to do this is not to actually have the TikTok app up, but to take your phone and record vertically so you have in the right format. Record a little tour of the house and record it in a couple different clips and record more than you think you might need. Then when you go to TikTok, you can import those videos, but you can also use those videos in different ways, and you can rearrange them if you need to. When you put the video there and there's a little bit of music behind it and you put that little title about this is what you can get in Miami for $500,000, people love that. That's your straight up real estate bucket that you're choosing from. The second bucket of videos I think you should be making is something about local, but it has your personality in it. Like your favorite ice cream shops in Baltimore, your favorite crab places in Baltimore. My favorite place to get steamed crabs is Lady Francis. Have you ever been there? And that would be the whole video, 15 seconds. And it could be a recording of you with Lady Francis in the background, or it could be a recording of the actual place with you just having that text over top. The third bucket of videos I think you should be making each week is about you solving a problem, which could be a video outlining where you can get USDA financing in your area for 100% financing. Or do a brief video on how you don't really need 20% down. You can still buy homes without 20% down. A lot of people don't know that, and it just amazes me when I see the videos and so many people are commenting like, I never knew that. That's solving a problem. You're telling people stuff that they should know, need to know to be able to buy a house. So the 3 buckets are real estate videos that are actually about the physical real estate. The second one is your personality and location related. And the third is where you solve a problem. If this has helped so far, give me a thumbs up. And if you need help creating an actual TikTok step-by-step, I'm gonna do that video next. And if you subscribe and hit the little bell, you'll be notified so you don't miss how to create one. I'll give you the shortcuts.